Hey, what's up? This is Paul Solt from Super Easy Apps. I want to show off my new timer. This is the Super Easy Apps timer. If you're interested in beta testing this and you want to get more time out of the day, or you want to time box a little bit better on your Mac, this is the app to do it. It's very easy to start new timers. I can quickly use natural language to set up a timer for 10 minutes and start it by just pressing enter on my keyboard, and it starts the countdown. So it's a very exciting app. A lot of times I'm working on a blog post and I want a smaller mode. So I have this mini mode that's in the top right corner. And I'm looking for feedback on this feature. If you like it, if you don't like it, if you want something that gets out of the way, I find this super useful. I put this in the top right corner when I'm doing webinars. I put this in the top right corner when I'm doing videos and I want to stay on track. I put it on my second monitor. So I've got two monitors set up, and it just keeps it small and focused. And if I ever need to change the time, let's say I want 25 minutes, I can just go ahead and type 25 minutes. Or if I need to add 5 minutes, I can go ahead and add 5 minutes. So I can do that. It gives me a countdown that I can have on screen if I ever need a countdown on screen. And then what's really cool is that this mini mode just allows me to focus. And that is the biggest takeaway I have from this. So if you've ever read Getting Things Done by David Allen or The One Thing, you know all about time boxing and just sort of working through to-dos, getting things off your plate, closing those open loops. And so I use this when I'm writing. Typically, I'll set a 20-minute timer. So I'll type 20 minutes in the top right corner, and then I'll press enter, and then it will start a timer. When I do that, then I can go ahead and write my blog post. Typically, I'm writing in Markdown, so I use Multi-Markdown Composer, and away I go. So this gives me focus. This forces me to avoid the other interactions. One of the other things that I sometimes do is I turn off Wi-Fi, because I have been known to just randomly do research topics. And when you're trying to write first thing in the morning, the worst thing that you can do to derail your writing session is to do research. If you do research, do it later in the day. That's my tip. That's how I get things done. All right, so if you like this video, click the like button. And then if you are interested in the beta, we've got a beta sign up. It's in the link down below in the video description. I'll ask you a couple quick questions about how you use timer apps. Maybe you don't use timer apps and you're just trying to get more productive, get more out of your day. Maybe this is a New Year's sort of thing that you want to do. We've got a free beta test that we're doing, and I would really appreciate any feedback you have and how you would want to use this app. All right, so in the next video, I'm going to show you how to use a large mode. Let's say you're in a classroom environment and you want to have a countdown for maybe 60 minutes on the screen. That's what I'm going to show you in the next video. All right, so stay tuned for that video.